In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. Duplicating a page is a quick way to reuse a layout, keep your design consistent, and save time when building out similar sections of your site. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you know exactly what to click and why. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. You can type the address directly or open it from your Google Apps menu. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account so you can access and edit your sites. Once you're on the Google Sites dashboard, choose the site you want to work on. This opens the site editor where you can make changes. Inside the editor, look to the right side of the screen for the panel that includes pages, themes, and inserts. Click the Pages tab to view your site's page structure. In the list of pages, find the page you want to copy. Hover over that page name and click the three vertical dots, sometimes labeled as More Actions. This menu is where Google Sites groups all the page-specific tools. You'll notice options like Make Homepage, Properties, Add Subpage, Hide from Navigation, and Delete. These are useful for other tasks, but for our purpose today, choose Duplicate Page. When you select Duplicate Page, a small window may appear, allowing you to adjust details before the copy is created. This is your chance to rename the duplicate so it's clear what it's for, such as services, copy, or a specific variation you plan to edit. Some setups also let you choose where the new page will live in your site's structure. Make any adjustments you want, then click Done to confirm. That's it, the duplicate is created. You'll see the new page appear in the Pages panel, usually right near the original. The copy includes the layout and content from the original page, so you can immediately start customizing text, images, and sections without rebuilding anything from scratch. A few quick tips as you proceed. Renaming your duplicate right away helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to make several variations. If you need to change where the page appears in your navigation, you can always open the same three-dot menu later to show, hide, or move it. And remember, duplicating doesn't change the original page, so feel free to experiment on the copy until it's exactly what you need. You now know how to duplicate a page in Google Sites with confidence. Happy building!